members, it is the case and the story of a pot calling another one black. Tone down toxic politics. Conduct yourselves with decorum. You know, you carry enormous responsibility of 50 million Kenyans who have given you a rare privilege. It's not your right to be in this house. It is a privilege bestowed upon you by the people of Kenya. And when you come to this house and everywhere you go, remember that you are a public trustee carrying the responsibility of people who cannot come in this house to argue their case. And they look upon you to make sure they have peace, they are protected with their families, their properties are protected, and the laws that you pass here are obeyed and enforced against offenders in fairness as is required under the same laws. Thank you. Order, Jared, that matter is closed. What direction do you want? Yes? Yes. Give Jared Okello the mic.
Honorable Speaker, I thank you for the most informed ruling on this subject matter. But Honorable Speaker, we are breaking for our recess today, and on the same breath, this matter that I'm talking about transcends just the National Assembly. It also affects our members in the Senate, Honorable Speaker. And perhaps names I will give, but it may not be so comprehensive considering the fact that some of us will be out of this house within the next few hours and may not be available until the next 1 month. I think, Honorable Speaker, given your direction, Honorable Kimani Ichung'wah, the majority leader, has known that members of this house from my political divide had their security withdrawn. I think as that, he should take up the matter as it is, without necessarily going through the names and all that. And additionally, Honorable Speaker...
Honorable Okello, I think you are now